Hi everyone, so now we will learn that how we can install and use npm package in React Native. So you can ask one question like what is package? So I'll tell you the answer of this question. After that we learn how we can install package and to just use this package we have to apply some code changes. We will do that, and at last we will just check the output and interview questions also. Alright, so first question, what is package? Package is basically simply a bunch of code, or you can say that library. Lots of library, or you can say that package are available on the internet for different features. For example, you want to just create simple form validations, or you want to use Google Maps. For these, lots of packages are available on the internet. You can just simply install these package with the help of one command and use them. So why we use them? So let's say if you want to just create a complex functionality by yourself, it will take lots of time, lots of money, lots of effort, right? So better to be you can reuse the code which already someone written, already made some package for that, and that will be just save the times and all, right? So now let's see how we can install the package. So this is basically the official way, you can say that, to just use the libraries and package and all, right? This is the official website of React Native. So here you can see that you just need to put there npm install and your package name. One more question, what is the npm there? See, npm is basically a node package manager. It provides a standard to the package. Even yarn is also the same way. They both will actually provide a standard who want to create a package, so that that package will be run smooth in all application without any error, without any warning and all. All right, so npm package, and you can just put your package name and that will be installed. But that package should be available on the internet. Let's say you want to create a form validation, right? So just simply you can search there React Native form validation npm, right? And you will find there is a lots of package for this. The same way, if you want to open a website in your application, then again there is a lots of package. So this is npm.js.com. this is the official website. You can use this command directly from there. Otherwise, this is the all details are provided by the npm.js by about this package, and you can just run this command npm I and your package name, or npm install your package name. Both are the same command. I means install, right? So this is the same thing. So now let's see how we can install. Just open the terminal inside your project. Keep in mind, if you will run this command outside of your project in any random folder, it will not work. You have to run this command only on your root folder of your project. So my project name is first project. That's why I'm just running inside the npm I React Native view, right? And within a moment that will be installed. After that, you have to run one more command. Here you can see that, right? npm React Native run Android. This is used for creating the build of your application, development build, right? So let's say you are using the iOS simulator. That time you have to use npx React Native run iOS. After installing package, you must have to run this command. Otherwise, in some package you might face some error and all, right? So just run this command again. And sometime it could take more time, because if there's a lots of dependencies for your package which is installed, then it may take time. Otherwise, it will just depend your internet speed and all right? So while this is installing, here you can see that this is our code. I don't need this terminal anymore, so I can just close it, and there I will use my package, right? So let me just check, is it installed or not? Yep. So this is installed and build is also successfully done, right? So now we can just import your package, import something from your package name, which is React Native Web View, all right? And simply import their web view, and just you can use it with the div also, but I am just directly putting this putting here this web view, and at least you have to provide one property there, which is source. And in the source you can just take an object and just provide their URI, not URL. You have to use their URI and any URL that you want to open. So let's say I just want to open the React Native official website, then you can just put it there. And now let's check the emulator. So now you can see that the official website is open there. Even if you want to open the google.com, then you can also do that. Google.com. Save it, and it will refresh within a moment. And because it will take some time to just clean the cache and just open the another site, so it will take some moment. Even otherwise, this is also depending on internet speed. If that is good, then that's okay. So you can see that even if you want to search something, then it will also work. All right. So that's all for this video. Here we learned that how we can install, use npm package, as well as how we can open a website in your application. So, and please keep supporting me by subscribe my channel, like this video, and share your feedback in comment section. And this is my Paytm number for donation. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.